Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to ensure that only your friends can see your posts on Facebook. In today's digital age, maintaining control over who sees your content is more important than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to keep your Facebook posts private to friends only. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your news feed. To create a new post, tap on the "What's on your mind" section at the top of your screen. This is where you can share updates, photos, or videos with your friends. Now, look for the Post Audience selector. This is usually represented by a small icon, like a globe or two heads, at the top of the post creation area. Tap on this icon to adjust who can see your post. You'll see several options, including public, friends of friends, and friends. Choose Friends to ensure that only people you've added as friends can view your post. Once you've selected Friends, tap on Done to confirm your choice. Finish crafting your post by adding any text, photos, or videos you want to share. When you're ready, tap on the Post button at the top right corner of your screen. Your post will now be visible only to your friends, keeping it private from the rest of the Facebook community. This simple process gives you full control over who sees your content, helping you maintain privacy and security on the platform. Remember, you can adjust these settings for each post individually, so you have flexibility depending on what you're sharing. By following these steps, you can enjoy sharing updates with your friends while keeping your personal life private. Whether you're sharing a funny moment, a personal achievement, or just a thought, you can do so with confidence, knowing that only your friends will see it. So go ahead and share away, knowing you're in control of your Facebook experience.